What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the brand new Diode Dynamics SS10 10-inch light bar on the General. This is the SS10 Max in combo beam. Obviously it's white with the standard amber backlit. You can opt for the Smart Select, which will give you an RGB backlit and then a cool startup feature. Again, this is just a standard amber backlit. So we're going to get this thing installed. Once it gets dark out, we'll see how this thing performs. All right, so obviously everything comes disassembled, so you're going to have to install the brackets. And these are actually reversible depending on where your mounting locations are. So you can put the brackets like I have them here, or you can flip them around and have them standing outside like this. So pretty versatile and allows you to mount it in a bunch of different locations. Also, a height adjustment here, so you can adjust your light bar up or down. So that is pretty neat there. Overall, just like everything from Diode, it's really high quality, pretty low profile. It's really not that tall, so it's going to fit right down in this spot pretty good. So I've been waiting for Diode to drop this thing for a long time now, and I am finally going to be able to fill that space down there. I was going to go with the rigid 10-inch, but I knew that these were coming out, so I had to hold off. And of course, it'll match the ditch lights, and I've got some SSC2 2.0s in the back as well. So we're gonna get this thing installed and check it out. There we go. Looks real nice in there. Alright, so here is the SS10 Max light bar. I mean, the amount of light that this thing puts out is insane for a 10-inch bar. Here's low beam, pitch lights, here's the bar. Again, this is combo beam. It is the absolute perfect spread of light. Great throw and some really good width and some really good foreground lighting as well. So they did a great job with this optic. And here's the SS3 Pro ditch lights. So yeah, this bar's legit. I mean, look at how much light this thing puts out in all the right areas. Let's do a low beam here. So that's low beam. And there's the light bar. The SS3 Pro ditch lights. And there's the light bar. So, awesome product.